Everybody, I hope everybody had a great week trading. I hope everybody posted some. I hope everybody has some great profit during this trading week. I hope everybody watched the previous videos and learned some from it. If you guys have any questions, as always, let me know. Today, we're gonna be talking about the RSI indicator. That's the relative strength index indicator. So that basically is measuring the strength and the weakness of a stock during a time period of time. All right. As always, please go below, like this video, subscribe, and if you guys gonna open an account, make sure you guys use my link so you get 2 free stocks. All right, so let's not waste time and get started. Okay, so now we are here on the Weevil website. This is a basic graph, just the way we left the last time. The only thing we're gonna be working today with the AMD stock, right? So just a recap, this is the blue SMA line and this is the red SMA line. All right, so how do we add the RSI indicator? Right, we're gonna go up here, top right corner. I'm gonna click on indicators. I have it right here because I use it a lot, but if not, you're gonna go to all indicators. Okay, you're gonna go down and pretty easy. You're gonna look for it, RSI. I'm gonna click, right? Now it's good to always go right here. Make sure, make sure we go right here to the RSI. Make sure we look at the style. Everything looks good. It's always good to have it on that color. It's really up to you what color you want it, but you can change the top for yellow and the lower band for purple, right? That's the way it's gonna look like. All right. So what this means, anytime you see this indicator, these lines under the 30 number, so like right here at the 30, if we go back, we're gonna see it right here. That means the stock is oversold. So that means it's at a really cheap price at that moment. Every time you see the stock right here over the 70 line, that means it's overbought. So a lot of people has been buying it, so it's not at a great price at the moment. Every single time, it's not a good time to buy if you want to make some profit. Now, being here doesn't mean you could not make profit out of it, because you saw here it went up, but it means you're buying it at an expensive price at that moment. Now, right here in the middle is what most people call a fair price. So buying it as at a fair price is not bad. You know, sometimes you will be able, like for example, you buy it right here in the middle, you get this run, right? But sometimes if you buy it here in the middle, it will go cheaper and then go back up. So in the middle is a fair price. Sometimes will be good to take a position, sometimes not. But what we're looking for is to buy stock cheap. You know, we have to be cheap. The cheaper we get the stock, the more upside we have. Now, when a stock is here at the bottom, it doesn't mean that it's always a great time to buy it. You know, you have to be able to see some type of up price indicator. You have to see like an up price range, like the stock is about to go up in price, because buying it at a cheap price here at the 30 line or less is not gonna be worth it if the stock will keep going down. It happened a lot of time, right? So we have to wait for that up price indicator with the SMA line to be able to find out that it's a good position to take. All right, so because we don't want to buy a cheap stock that is just a dead stock that is just gonna die because you're just gonna lose money, right? So right here it means overbought. Right here, it means oversold, right? Now, a good stock to find out is when during a time period, let's see, the 5 minute, the 1 minute, the 10 minute, the 4 hour, whatever you pick, when you see 3 or more times that the stock is being overbought and oversold. So, for example, here with AMD, we know it's a good stock. AMD is one of the best stock for this. And we can see the stock in here was overbought, right? And then oversold. That's one, right? Then we see here the stock was overbought and oversold. You can count this one too. Oversold, right? That's two. And the stock came back up, overbought, and the stock came back down, oversold. So now, when we see three, that's what we call the comeback king. Is when you see it all the way up and all the way down. The comeback king. Now you know that's a good stock to buy it during the oversold time and sell it at the overbought. And you're gonna make profit. And then you can keep playing, doing day trade or swing trade, depending on the time period you're looking, and keep making money back and forth with the same stock, right? Now, with this stock, you're gonna see it that it keep going oversold, overbought, oversold, almost overbought. You know, here it can kind of like the last couple days not been the greatest, but for a long period of time, AMD has been one of the best day trading, swing trading stock out there, right? So we talk about the comeback king, right? Comeback king is when they have three or more all the way over. Let's go back here. All the way overbought and all the way down oversold. Now, what's a comeback queen? A comeback queen is when you see a stock that get overbought, but then it just go right here to the fair price and go back up to overbought, right? That's a comeback king. When you comeback queen. They just go down to the fair price and go back up to be overbought. So that's a good way to trade too. Not always has to be all the way up, all the way down. It sometimes gonna be from all the way up to only to the middle, or from the middle to the from the bottom to the middle. All right. So again, just a little recap. Under 30 or at the 30 line means oversold. At the 70 line or over the 70 line means overbought. Now, how do you utilize both stocks, both indicators together, right? So pretty easy right here. So we see this run about to happen right here after this decline. So when I see this right here, this is my confirmation, and I can take this point right here. Now you guys see it's at a fair price, so not always we're gonna take it just like that, right? So let's go back here and let's show now. Right here we can see the stock being basically oversold. Now we see how the price start going up, so we will buy around right here when we get this confirmation. Then we're gonna ride all the way here. It came down here a little bit. Keep riding, and with the RSI, see how the RSI keep going up. Now when we get all the way right here, that can be our exit point. Right? Because if you see the RSI is overbought, so when it gets to the overbought, we're gonna see a big decline because people gonna start taking profit, right? So right there, when we get that RSI going that down, that's gonna be our exit point. Now we keep watching the stock during the day, right? And then we see a big impact right here, and we see this RSI. It's pretty expensive right there, but we see it went up, and we have over the SMA line a green candle. So that's our confirmation of up price range, and it's going up to the 280 SMA red line. So we take a position there and we keep riding all the way here, all the way here, all the way here. We're still over the SMA line. We will be able. Now, you guys see right here how on this green one we still overbought. We can take that exit right there, but we would not take it just because we still a green candle over the SMA line. So right here we take a little cut. We could sell if we wanted to, but I would not because I still over the SMA line. So then I will keep riding. Now when I'm this high on the RSI, right, and then I see this next big red candles right here, that's when I'm gonna sell, and we would be selling at a fair price, right? Now, if you would just wanna follow the RSI, you would have sold right here at around $84.32. So basically, you would have just missed 9 cents per stock on profit. So that's not a big deal. So this is how basically you will be utilizing both. Now, a lot of people just use the RSI only. So if you're gonna use just the RSI only, you look at here, the stock went oversold, super oversold. Then you see how the stock start going up. You will buy around this area right here, right? Then you will enjoy the ride, and then basically if when it goes down here again, you sell it. Right? You make some profit, you keep watching, then the stock will go down. When you see it start going up here again, you buy the stock, ride the wave all the way up, and when you see from this top a big down like this, then you sell and you make more, you make some profit right there, and you just keep enjoying. It went down, you see a little bit of positive price range right here, you buy right here. Enjoy the ride all the way until you get to that bought and sell, and you keep making money. That's how you will do it on day trading, swing trading, or anything like that. Let's go right here. And that will be it for the RSI indicator. If you guys have any question, please, as always, let me know. Just a little recap before we are done. Just remember, always looking for the oversold and selling at the overbought. I always utilize the SMA line first, and then my second confirmation will be utilizing the RSI indicator. Again, not because it's oversold means it's a good buy. You need to make sure before you buy you see some price strange. So as always, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, share the Facebook group, the YouTube channel too, so we can help more people. If you have any question, please let me know, email me, message me, anything like that. Our next video before we go into a third indicator will be about how to utilize a stock screener to find those good opportunity within different stock. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.